80% of women in India are not able to orgasm during sexual activity. That's a fact which comes out a lot on Instagram as well as on YouTube channels. It comes out a lot in other media as well. But do we know that a large majority of these women actually have a problem, something called clitoral hood? Uh, the majority of women have climax because of clitoral stimulation. However, in a vast majority of these women, the clitoris is actually covered by a hood, and this prevents direct contact with the penile shaft during sexual activity. And in spite of everything, the lady is not able to reach a natural orgasm. Are you one of them? Have you had problems in naturally climaxing? And do you know sometimes it is not your partner's fault? It may actually be an inborn error, which means you've had it since birth and your clitoris is actually hidden because of the clitoris hood. Now imagine that a 15-minute procedure can get you back your power of natural orgasms or oblique climaxing, whatever you want to call it. And then you feel you've wasted all these years of your life, all that sexual activity, that acts of intimacy, which did not lead to a natural climax, were just a waste. 15 minutes of a small procedure done under local anesthesia, and you can naturally climax for the rest of your life. Add on a bit of O shot to it, and the climaxes get 2 times better. More violent, more intense, faster. So, if sexual satisfaction remains one of your goals, and I know most people who are in relationships want that to happen, and yet you've not been able to reach there, a good plastic surgeon can help you achieve that in as less than 15 minutes. So, if you want to know more about it, please connect with my team, connect with me, and I want to tell you how you can actually finally climax naturally.